Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install some Bosch Icon windshield wipers on my 1997 Toyota 4Runner. This is going to be the same process for all third generation 4Runners, and per Bosch's official recommendation, the wiper blade that you're going to want to be buying is the size 16A. So I'm going to go over to the truck, show you how to take off the factory wiper and wiper blade assemblies, and then show you how to install these Bosch ones in their place. Alright, as you can see, I have an up close shot of one of the wiper blades lifted up right here. So you're able to see how I'm detaching these factory wiper blades. You can see I have the factory arms and factory blades installed right now on the vehicle. So in order to remove these, all you need to do is take the wiper arm assembly, flip it around about 180 degrees. There's a little clip right here. You push down on that, and you push the wiper arm towards the windshield cowl, towards the windshield of the vehicle itself, and the assembly will pop free. And from there, you unhook it and pop it off the wiper arm. So what I'm going to do is go grab one of the Bosch assemblies and show you how to install that. At this point I have the new Bosch wiper blade ready to go. What you need to do in order to prep it to install is simply squeeze where these ridges are on the plastic housing and lift up. At that point what you're going to do is slip the hook on the wiper arm through this hole right here on the wiper blade, slip it through, hook the wiper arm onto the blade, and then close the little plastic cover. Now, you want to make sure whenever you hook it that it pops into place. If the cover is not closing, like it just didn't for me right there, then you know that you have an issue and you need to push it further into the hook. But once you've done that, you can snap it into place, and that's one wiper arm installed. So I'm going to show you a 50-50 shot just so you get an idea of what they look like installed on the vehicle, and it should be a pretty simple installation for you. So here's what the Icon wiper blade looks like installed on the 4Runner, and there's the factory one right over there. Now obviously you're not installing these for looks, you're installing these for function. I run Icon blades on every single one of my other vehicles, and I just never installed them on the 4Runner. So I figured now's as good a time as any to install them on the 4Runner. So super simple installation. Should be a 5-minute job for anybody who knows what they're doing with the vehicle. And with that, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.